Hello, this video briefing will serve as the Arizona 2013 Monsoon Wrap-Up, as put together by the National Weather Service Phoenix Forecast Office. The monsoon season is defined as June 15th through September 30th. As far as this monsoon season went, it was considered statistically as a pretty decent season. Event-wise, there were a handful of notable and substantial events around the valley. On this slide, a few radar images as well as some damage photos from a strong downburst that occurred in the Ahwatukee area on July 15th. Numerous trees were torn down from this event. As far as temperatures go, a large majority of the state of Arizona experienced a warmer than normal monsoon season. The image on this page shows temperature departures from normal during the time of June 1st through August 31st, which is also the time period of meteorological summer. Select cities of Phoenix, Yuma, Tucson, and Flagstaff are shown in the table at the bottom with monthly average temperatures and departure from normal to the right. The first half of the season was abnormally warm, as can be seen in June and July. All four cities recorded well above normal temperatures. Focusing more on just Phoenix, the top graphic is a daily temperature data chart highlighting four prominent hot and dry periods during the time periods June 27th through July 9th, July 28th through August 4th, August 14th through the 22nd, and September 14th through September 21st. During these periods, the majority of the summer temperature anomalies occurred. Of note, our hottest temperature in Phoenix this summer was during the first hot and dry period when the 119-degree day was recorded on June 29th. Moving on to precipitation, as typical for our monsoon, rainfall had a wide distribution across the state. Of note for Flagstaff, June through September precip was the second highest on record, and in contrary for Tucson, it was the 20th driest. The graphic on the left depicts the percent of average precipitation from June 26th through September 23rd. Portions of central and south central Arizona saw the lowest amounts, while northern, western, and southeastern Arizona saw well above normal amounts. Phoenix, for the second year in a row, finished above normal for precip for the monsoon season. Focusing on just Phoenix-centric for the monsoon precipitation, rainfall across the metro area was generally good, with the highest amounts over northern and eastern valley locations. The table on the bottom of the image shows select cities across the greater Phoenix area, with precipitation accumulations by month and a total. This goes to show that even a few miles difference in location can mean a big difference in rainfall amounts. The stations listed are cooperative observation stations we use here at the Forecast Office, among many other stations. With all the rainfall this monsoon, how does that translate to our drought status for Arizona? The U.S. Drought Monitor graphics shown here provide an observation each month from October on the upper left down to June on the bottom right. From June through October, the intensity of the drought has gone from extreme and some areas of exceptional down to severe and moderate. A generous improvement in the status of the drought was made this year during the monsoon, and all due to the increased amounts of rainfall across the state. A summary wrap-up of the monsoon statistics is listed on this page, just highlighting what was presented in the previous slides. For temperatures, statewide, the season was much warmer than normal, especially early in the season. Precipitation across the state was also much higher than normal, even though not all locations saw heavy amounts. Of note is Douglas, Arizona, which recorded 10.12 inches of rain just in the month of July. This was the most rainfall ever recorded in any month for that city. The second year in a row that monsoon rainfall has helped improve the drought conditions over much of the state. And subjectively, there were fewer and less intense dust storms across the Phoenix metro this season, as compared with the previous 2 years. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation and are now more informed on the 2013 monsoon season across Arizona. Thanks for watching.